Hello, I am Pibb Shirley, and we're going to do Airsoft reviews for you. I know, it's pretty awesome. And this is my trusty partner, Mr. Pibb. Mr. Pibb is the one. This is the new Echo 1 E90, 350 FPS, and here it is.
What's up with the squirt gun?
Oh, it's squirt gun, E90. Also comes with a black tip. Yeah, and comes with a speed loader. And,
That's interesting.
This is not actually the E90. If you haven't noticed, it's close. It's pretty close, but yeah, this is the new E90 Echo 1. I'm so freaking happy. I get to load the E90 magazine. That's right, I'm doing it without looking. You're so jealous. You jealous, bro?
You having fun there?
Yeah. Yeah. Alright. So, goes like this. Dun dun dun. And you go, watch this, watch this. You slide it in, but it's not in yet. It's in! Watch this. What am I gonna shoot? Let's shoot. What do I shoot? Shoot straight. Come here, follow. Follow! Okay. Alright, so. See that mailbox? It's also a tree, because you know why? So that's wood. So it must be a tree. Alright, ready? Watch this. You gotta go watch.
I gotta see this, man. I gotta see this.
Yeah.
I get full perspective. Ready? The sideways prone shot.
Yep. Oh!
Oh, 1 out of 3. Nicely done.
I know.
Oh, I don't even know how many times you're hitting it.
Alright, now ready?
That is great.
Ah!
You just blew my mind.
Yeah. Taliban! So, we got a new scope for it. Want to check it out?
I do.
Look at that bossness.
Way to place that on there. Oh,
Thank
look
you.
at those sights.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that's nice. That's,
Look at this.
that's
It
beautiful.
also holds BBs in there.
Oh,
I'm jealous, right? That's right.
Yeah, you
Extra,
know,
like little
like
mag
in case
right
you
there.
run out of ammo, you just pour. Yeah, I'm getting you.
Yep.
All right.
So, I didn't show him at all. He's Mr. Pibb. He has this gun. It's my gun.
He has a
Doesn't
pretty
work.
nice farmer stand.
Yep, I know. What else can I put on my gun other than a sweet scope that, yeah, sweet scope. And a magazine. I don't know what else, but, pa-pa! That's right, stickers, sticker bomb it, woo! Bolo! The next review. Oh yeah. See, sick vest protects it from slipping out. Is gas HK USP. Oh,
Sounds
USP.
cool.
Yeah, yeah. Cal dot 6mm BB. Oh, it's CO2.